Come on. We have the ticket already.
Oh.
Where's Christine? Where's Christine?
She was already when she was outside. You can see her, so she must be in the corner.
Oh my God.
You call her?
Ring Christine. Ring Christine.
Number?
Oh my God. Wait. Ganyang kaganda ang Venice Plaza. Venice Mall. Welcome to Venice Plaza. How do you call it? How do you call it? That's very popular here. Grand Canal Mall. This is where we need to Where's the thing? Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting. God bless us all. Shout out sa aking channel member Maria Rosa Pitalcorin and Mary Lugado. Thank you guys. Love kayo ng Tita Ann. At sa aking mga subscribers sa Facebook, maraming salamat. See you soon, Bicol, and sa island tayo after this. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga suporta. Gabayan tayo ng Diyos para maraming blessings. Life in Makati. This is Tukay and my daughter. Oh, she does. My God. So shameful. Hello. Thanks God it's Friday. TGIF. Look at that.
Where?
TGIF. Thanks God it's Friday.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Today's Monday.
Fish and Co. Not fish and chips. Thank you guys. Love you all. Maraming salamat po. At least this time talagang nagpapasarap ang titaan. Kasi yung huling bakasyon talaga namang bahay lang. Bahay. Ngayon, explore Manila, Makati, Laguna.
Really?
Laguna. What more? Yeah, Pagsanhan, and then Puerto Galera soon. After we go to the province. Wait for the blessings for the less fortunate Filipino in the province. Very soon. Maybe tomorrow. We just need to relax for today. Thank you guys. Love you all. Your support is a big blessing for our earnings. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Don't forget to give your comments. Your comments is very helpful for us to earn on our content monetization. Ay, bastos.
So that means you can enter,
Yes.
unless
Ay, thank you.
you request.
You want umbrella?
Sa kanila yun.
Yeah.
You have to request.
Yeah, you need to request.
You need to remove to the black.
You block Christine.
Ano yun ma? Hindi ko alam.
Blocking, go to your setting on Facebook. Let's have a ride.
Black. The black.
Let's go, guys. We're here. Exploring the Venice Plaza,
Venice Plaza.
the Swiss Canal, the Grand Canal.
The lady herself. You want to put the umbrella down so you can see? Not down.
Down.
Just put it like this in front so I can see.
Okay.
In front. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
The pigeon is taking video.
Matagal mo na yung ano mo.
Alin? Wag na, hayaan mo na ako. Okay lang ako, walang payong.
Para! Bakit ko ba?
Mag-video ka tapos i-send mo sa, mamaya send mo sa akin.
Wala lang ang video.
Ay, kahit na ano, kung ano yung nandyan. Para ano, maisama sa YouTube.
Vlogger plus mo. Sana all.
Ay, kaya ako nagaganon, Noy, kasi ano, itinutulong sa Pinas. Sa New Zealand kami eh.
Saan, ma'am?
New Zealand. May YouTube channel ako, at saka yung sa Facebook. Yung kita ng Facebook, at saka yung sa YouTube. Pinapadala yung dito sa Pinas. Kaya kailangan lang support para more ang mabibigyan ng tulong.
At tinutulong mo din, ma'am?
Oo.
Ay, sana all tumutulong.
Oo. Kaya yung mga subscriber ko sa Facebook at saka sa YouTube, may mga pasalubong. Kasi last year, ang mahal ng binayaran ko sa magpapadala dito sa Pinas ng ano, regalo.
Dollar yun, ma'am. Magkano na dito?
Ang New Zealand, 32 plus per dollar.
Kung 32, ma'am, magkano yung sa Pilipinas?
Yun nga, 32. Ang 100, 3,240.
Sa
$100. Kasi mataas ang US, 50.
Taas ng US kasi pag sa 100, 5,000.
Oo. Ay, hindi naman ako dun citizen. Sa New Zealand naman ako citizen.
Ma'am, kunan ko po kayo ng picture.
Oo, thank you. Ano mo muna siya?
Stop lang, ma'am.
Stop